Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to contact live chat on PrizePicks. First, you have to search for PrizePicks live support on your Google Chrome browser or Firefox, whatever you use. Then you will find this type of page where in this help center of PrizePicks you will find live support. Click on it, and here is the button for chat now. After click on it, you can access PrizePicks 24/7 live support that you can chat with a real support representative no matter your issue or time of death. You can contact with them anytime, and you can ask any question. Just simply click on send us a message button here. Then click on this green button, type your question. Here first you have to enter your email address that are active, and then you can ask any question, or you can send any message that you get the answer, the first primary answer from AI agent. Then after some times a real representative will connect with you as soon as possible. That's how you can live chat on PrizePicks with a real representative. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.